taught on Monday the 14th of September 2020. It was week 3 of the 8-week course that we were doing online. So if you're looking for the full 1-hour class, it's in the 2020 to 2021 playlist for the beginners solo salsa, solo cha-cha, sorry. And I have already taught this in the class, but I still break it down and then I'll dance it with some music. So if you haven't joined the full class, don't worry. But these are all the steps that we learned over the course of week 2 and 3, put together for a nice routine. Let's make a start. We started with the Mambo. 2, 3, cha, 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 6, 7, 8, and 1. Half a right turn, half a left turn. You'll be facing the front again. Left, right, cha-cha to the back, right, left, cha-cha to the front. Side basic with Susie cue. So here we go. Left, right, Susie cue. Right, left, Susie cue. I do that again with the numbers. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. New York flair. Now we did this 4 forwards. I remember I said we could do 2 forwards, 2 back, 4 forwards, 4 back. We could mix up the number, but we chose 4 forwards. Step, point, step, point, step, point, step, point. We stay at the front and do the toe, heel, and cha-cha in place. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Toe, heel, cha, cha, cha. Timing from the flare to the toe, heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Walking backwards, slight crossover. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So it was 4 walks back and 2 tap steps when we got there. Let's take it from the front again. Done the toe heel cha-cha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 4 Susie cues. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Balls at the feet and they're fast. Whole thing all together from the top. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go left and 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Let's do it with the music.